For conversion of 12 svara sthanams into 16 swarams, look at the video given in the description box below. You have to watch that video before watching this one. In this video, we'll be discussing how we arrive at 72 melakartha ragams. If we try to combine Re and Ga in the video about 16 swaras, it will be evident that we'll be able to combine the Re's and Ga's into logical sequences to form ragams only in 6 possible ways. These are Re1, Ga1, Re1, Ga2, Re1, Ga3, Re2, Ga2, Re2, Ga3 and Re3, Ga3. The other combinations of Re and Ga cannot be used to form meaningful ragams because either Re and Ga will be in the same svara sthanam or they will be in combinations where the Re is higher than Ga or a reverse. They are either equal or Re is higher than Ga or Ga is lower than Re, which are not meaningful sequences. So these 6 combinations have been taken up so that each of them are assigned to one particular chakram. A chakram is a set of 6 ragams. So in a particular chakram, there will be 6 ragams. Why there will be 6 ragams? You will understand when you see the later portion of this video. There will be 6 ragams in a chakram. All the ragams in the chakram will share the same combination of Re and Ga. And then the Ma is used such that for the first 6 chakrams in the 72 melakartha series, all the ragams will have only Shuddha Madhyamam. So if you know the number of a particular melakartha and the number is lesser than or equal to 36, you can decide that the ragam is taking Shuddha Madhyamam and write Ma1. And if the number is greater than 36, you can conclude that the ragam is taking Pratimadhyamam or Ma2. Now talking about the Da and the Ni, these are the swarams that are used to differentiate ragams within a particular chakram. So in the 12 chakrams that are forming the 72 melakartha ragams, because a chakram is a set of 6 ragams, so there will be 12 chakrams to form 72 melakartha ragams. Within a particular chakram, whatever chakram number it may be, the 6 ragams in that particular chakram will always have Da and Ni in the following combinations. Like we spoke about the 6 combinations of Re and Ga, you have to write down the same combinations for Da and Ni as well. Da1, Ni1, Da1, Ni2, Da1, Ni3, Da2, Ni2, Da2, Ni3 and finally Da3, Ni3. The other 3 combinations out of the 9 possible combinations are not helpful to us because it either makes Da and Ni at the same position or Da higher than Ni, which is not useful to us. So, in a particular chakram, any chakram, the first ragam would always have Da1, Ni1. The second ragam would always take Da1, Ni2. The third ragam would always take Da1, Ni3. So, if you took an example of Maya Mulava Gaulai and you knew that it is the 15th melakartha ragam, that makes it the third ragam in its own chakram. So, it has Da1, Ni3, which is Shuddha Daivatam and Kakali Nishadam. The fourth ragam in a chakram would always have Da2, Ni2. An example could be Karahara Priya. The 5th ragam in a chakram would always take Da2, Ni3. An common example would be Shankarabharanam, which is the 29th melakartha ragam. 29th melakartha ragam would make it the 5th in its particular chakram, making it take Chatushruti Daivatam and Kakali Nishadam, the 5th combination. Any ragam, 6th ragam in any chakram, any 6th ragam in a chakram would take Da3, Ni3. For example, if you think of Natai or Chalanatai, which is its melakartha ragam, it takes the combination Da3 and Ni3. So this is how, from a system of 12 swara sthanams, 16 swara combinations, 16 swarams and 6 possible Riga and Dani combinations are arrived at, and intelligently Shuddha Madhyamam and Pratimadhyamam are combined so that you get 72 different melakartha ragams which have all 7 swarams, each of which have all 7 swarams in the same order without jumbling, without skipping, and also without taking more than one variety of the same swara. So this is how we arrive at 72 melakartha ragams. We will speak about a few common janya ragams in a later video. Radhe Krishna.